So this is, I just hate that it doesn't focus. Like, what is the freaking issue? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra if you're new here, and I'm back today with another video. And today I have the new Doja Cat and BH Cosmetics collaboration. I'm a big Doja Cat fan. I just think she's like, not just like, she's a true artist, like a true performer. I'm just a fan because once I saw her VMA performance and she brought concert dance to a different stage, I was like, this is my girl. But I'm just a big fan, as everyone in the world right now, but I was excited to see that she had a collaboration with BH Cosmetics, and when I saw that, I really had to pick up a couple of items. I really just have a few things, so I'm going to show you a quick eye look today. I have the calligraphy liner, and I got it in white. I've been wanting a white liner, like a liquid liner, and this looked really fun. I've been feeling the whole white liner vibe, so I'm excited to try this out. And then I have the Mega Palette. So this has 36 colors and it's $36, and I believe this liner is $12 in case you're wondering. But yes, I just got this because one, it's cute. And I just felt like it had some really fun colors in there, like just such a wide array of colors. And you have some mattes in here, you have some shimmers in here, you have some really chromatic looking shadows in here. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it's all about. I've been really loving these blue eyeshadow looks I've been seeing recently, so I'm thinking about going for a blue eyeshadow look today with this palette. But I do have some blue rhinestones that I'm wanting to try out today. I've been wanting to do some rhinestones on my bottom lash line, so yeah, I'm thinking about doing that, and I think it would be a really fun look. So I'm excited to experiment and try this blue look today. I already have my base makeup on, so you know, that's all set to go. If you want to see me review and try out some of the Doja Cat and BH Cosmetics collaboration, just keep watching. So first I'm just going to prime and put a little bit of powder on these oily eyelids. So first I'm going to use the color Dream as a transition color because it's like a really pretty light brown. This honestly would be good for my everyday eyeshadow color because I love just putting on a brown that pretty much matches my skin. So I'm just going to blend that up. Yeah, I really like that. The quality is pretty good. I've seen some reviews and some people say the palette is like a little bit of a hit or miss. Like some things are really good and some things are just not as pigmented, so I don't know. But I feel like 36 shades for $36 is pretty good. And I like this Dream. This Dream as a transition color. I think it looks really pretty. I want to do a blue look, but I don't want to like look like a clown. So I'm trying to be really strategic about how I do it because I don't want to be looking crazy. But I know I want some jewels. I do know I really want some jewels on my eyes. So now I'm just putting Mystery, which is a really pretty brown, into my crease, which is like my go-to always is to put brown in my crease. Even though I really want this to be pretty light and blue, I'm still kind of like, oh, what exactly am I doing? So you never go wrong with a little brown to intensify the crease a little bit. You know, you never go wrong with that. And I'm liking the brown shades, I can say that for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna intensify this a little bit, and then we're gonna try the blue situation. I'm just trying to find the perfect blue to match the rhinestones that I have. So I winged out my shadow a little bit just because I'm trying to get more of a lifted look when I'm doing eyeshadow on myself. And I did that with like a deeper brown, and I don't know if I love it with the deeper brown or if I would have rather just went in with the color Dream over all of it and just winged out Dream. But I love how lifted it is, and I feel like in general I'm trying to, you know, have my eyeshadow be a little more lifted, a little more open, because I have such hooded eyes and I have such tiny eyes. It's just something I want to do a little bit more, because I always keep it super concentrated with my eyeshadow, but I feel like I need to elongate it a little bit more to elongate my eyes. So I did that, and now I'm going to go in with the blue. I'm kind of nervous because I'm not sure which blue I'm like super in love with right now in the palette. But yeah, so we're gonna get to the blue. So I'm taking the color Layer and I'm just swiping it on my eye, and I really cake it into those like little folds that I have on my eyelid and make it just like a nice peak. Am I in love with this blue? I don't know, the girl's been killing the blue recently. Trying to get on the wave. I actually don't mind it that much. So I put the blue on. I'm kind of digging it. I feel like it looks better on the girls I've seen it on, but I don't mind it. And then I just blended it out a little bit. And now I'm gonna go on the bottom lash line with that same Dream color that I'm like loving. And just gonna smoke out this bottom lash line, make it a little more cohesive. But I'm gonna bring some of that blue into the inner corner. And bring some into this inner corner. And then like kind of feather that into the waterline. So what I did was just finish making this little like shape we have going on. So I just carried it up a little bit, added some more blue to intensify, and then brought it into the little tear duct and kind of feathered it down below to the waterline. And now I'm gonna add some rhinestones. So now I'm gonna try to do this bottom lash line rhinestone situation. I have some lash glue on my hand and I have the diamonds and I'm ready to work with it. The rhinestones are not cooperating. It's the fact that these rhinestones don't want to cooperate, which is getting on my nerves. But it's really irritating me and my homegirls, because why? Ooh. So you know what? Bump it. I'm gonna do the calligraphy liner and then I'll come back to see if I really want to add the rhinestones in or not. So here we go. I really wanted to add the rhinestones, but it's just not working out at this moment. So you know when you just need to step away from something and take a break so you can like realign? That's where I'm at. So I want to try this white liner and see what it's all about. And right now, it is not very visible. No. When I swatch it on my hand, it's very light too. So I don't know, that's disappointing. I wanted a really good white liner. And it's just, it's not doing that. Wow. Okay, here we go. We got something coming. I don't know, it's really fighting with this blue eyeshadow. It's definitely not that pigmented. And this is what I was most excited about from the collection, is the liners. But yeah, it's not, y'all can see it's really not that pigmented. I have like glue all over my hands from these freaking rhinestones. Ugh. Yeah, it's really not able to get over this eyeshadow very well. That's so disappointing. I can set it with this feline color that's in the palette, which is a white eyeshadow, and see if that makes it pop a little bit more. It's not really doing a ton. Maybe with a less chromatic eyeshadow it would work out better, but you know, it's doing a little something. And that's it. I put the liner on. I wanted it to be more intense and just different, but I mean, it complemented the look, you know, intensified it a little bit at the lash line, but not all of that, not what I wanted it to be. But I think maybe with lighter color shadows, it might work a little better. These are pretty light, but they're also really shimmery. So it's not working with that, but you know, I'm gonna move on and go back to trying to get these rhinestones to work. I need to get some that don't have sticky already on them, but we're gonna try to make this work. Maybe I just needed to like stop talking and it would have worked. So the rhinestones are on. I'm digging them, I'm liking them. It took a moment for them to get here, but here we are. So now I'm just gonna do my lashes and we should be complete. This is the final look. I really like it. You got the blue going on. I put some rhinestones, you know, I'm trying to go for the Doja Cat look. I just completed it with like some lashes, some mascara, and then I put on a really glossy lip. I just love glossy lips, so that's pretty much all that I did. Just to give you all my opinions on the collection, I really wanted the liner to deliver a little bit better. I wanted it to be a little bit more pigmented. I love the actual applicator, like I love the brush applicator. I just don't think it was very pigmented, as you all saw, so I feel like that could have been a little bit stronger. As for the palette, like, the shades that I used, I thought were really nice. I really did. And so I'm excited to use some more of these colors over here, like Mystic and Sunflower and Stellar, because I feel like they will be really great fall shades and to do some really fun fall looks. But yeah, I really like the palette. I think it's worth it. You get a lot of shades that you can do a lot with. So yeah, that's my opinions on it. I love to see that she had this collaboration. I'm a big fan of hers. I wish I would have been able to get some of the cheek trios because those looked really cool. They had some yellows and some oranges in there, and I think that would be really fun on darker skin tones and just for the fall and stuff. So yeah, maybe I will pick up a few more things and test them out, but I really love the palette, and I'm kind of let down by the liner, but you know, I'll still work with it and everything. But if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.